for her talent, but also for her natural elegance and timeless beauty. Please give it up for Janine Gutierrez! Hello, ladies! Alright, you know what? I am so sure that the audience is in good hands. So alam tayong tatlong criteria. We have speed, style, and radiance.
Kasi masyado siya naging hard mag-apply. Okay, so explain natin yung mechanics ng game. So it's a relay. Ang ating relay object, ang ating Nivea Super 10. So, ang player 1, so kayo yung player 1. Oh wait, let's get your names first.